there's a new game that you can play called soft cross. The game to play, pass the ball and shoot the goal. It's a team spirit game for one and all. So come on and play soft cross. It's a game of skill, play soft cross. Anyone can play it. Soft cross, it's easy to learn. Soft cross is a game to play.
Softcross is developed from the game of lacrosse, originally played as a form of war game by North American Indians. Modern-day warriors play lacrosse in protective equipment, in games which are fast, skillful, and highly competitive. Softcross, the new game for kids, is a modified version of lacrosse that's fun to play, easy to learn, and can be played by girls and boys together. Kids of any age can play, with rules which can be varied to suit the age and skills levels of the players. The Softcross equipment is designed for safety, the sticks and ball being of plastic that's durable, flexible, and inexpensive. Colour-coded sticks make team identification easy and may do away with the need for uniforms. The goals can be regular or reduced-size lacrosse goals, or teams can improvise and use chairs, benches, or even trees. Games can be played indoors or outside using such existing or natural boundaries as are available. Softcross is designed for enjoyment, but at the same time, it develops passing and catching skills, teamwork, continuous action, and hand-eye coordination. Participation is the keynote, and the Softcross concept is keep it simple, clean, and have fun. Let's look at the 6 basic rules of Softcross. 1. Play the ball and not the opponent. Players must be free to move, so there's no body contact, no stick contact. Remember, no body contact, no stick contact. 2. Both hands on the stick at all times. 3. The ball must be passed over the center line to start the game, and also 4. A minimum of 3 passes are to be made after the centerline pass, then you're able to attempt a shot on goal. 5. Play should be continuous. Players shouldn't slow the game down when in possession of the ball. 6. Substitution. Each team has 6 players on the field, and players may substitute as often as they choose through the designated substitution area. So that you can play Softcross well and enjoy being part of the team, there are 4 basic skills you'll need to learn. Firstly, cradle carry position. Hold the stick gently and be flexible. Notice the elbows are bent, the grip is relaxed, and the players can move the stick to say hello to the ball. Secondly, scooping the ball from the ground. Notice the handle is held to the side of the body. The knees are bent to get low to the ground, and the players are scooping through the ball and returning to the cradle carry position, ready to pass on to a teammate. Thirdly, passing the ball. Notice that the throw starts from the cradle position with the stick taken back slowly as the opposite leg is placed forward and the body side on to your target. The throw is very similar to the action that you would use in throwing any ball. Remember to follow through towards your target. Finally, catching the ball. As in any sport, always keep your eyes on the ball. Notice that the face of the stick is forward to meet the ball, and when the ball is accepted, the stick gives back to the cradle carry position. So to play Softcross, all you need are the sticks and balls so that you can learn and practice the basic skills.